Urgent sale Honda Civic VTi Oriel Prosmatec 2021 registration 2022 45k mileage. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very important and urgent car sale for you, so please don't miss this opportunity. I am presenting a Honda Civic VTi Oriel Prosmatec, one of the most popular and trusted sedans in Pakistan. If you are looking for a stylish, comfortable, and reliable family car, then this Honda Civic can be the perfect choice for you. Please watch this video till the end to get complete and clear information. Let's start with the basic details. This is a Honda Civic VTi Oriel Prosmatec. The manufacturing model is 2021, and the registration year is 2022. The car has been driven only 45,000 kilometers, which is very reasonable for this model. This car is a second owner, but the condition is excellent and well maintained. Now let's talk about the overall condition of the car. This Honda Civic is in scratchless condition. There are no major scratches, no dents, and no signs of rough use. The car looks very clean and fresh, both inside and outside. This is a just buy and drive car, meaning you don't need to spend any money after purchase. Everything is already in proper working condition. Now let's discuss the engine and performance, which is very important for any buyer. The engine performance is excellent and smooth. There is no engine noise, no smoke, and no warning lights on the dashboard. The acceleration is smooth, and the car responds very well while driving. Suspension is solid and comfortable, steering is light and responsive, and brakes are working perfectly. Whether you drive in city traffic or go on long routes, this Civic gives a very comfortable and confident drive. Now let's move towards the interior condition. The interior of the car is neat, clean, and well maintained. Seats are comfortable, dashboard is clean, and all buttons and controls are working properly. Being a VTi Oriel Prosmatec, the car offers a premium driving experience. The cabin is spacious, quiet, and comfortable, making it perfect for family use and daily driving. Air conditioning is working properly and cools the cabin very well, even in hot weather. Now let's talk about the exterior condition. The exterior condition of the car is excellent. Paint quality is very good, panels are properly aligned, and the car stands straight on the road. The design of Honda Civic is already very attractive, and in this condition, the car looks even more appealing. It clearly shows that the car has been driven carefully and maintained with responsibility. Now let's discuss the documents and legal status, which is very important. All documents of this car are 100% clear and genuine. CPLC clear. All taxes paid. No legal issues at all. Transfer is easy and tension-free for the buyer. Now coming to the price and location. This is an urgent sale, and the demand is 6 million PKR. Please note, this is a fair demand according to the condition and model of the car. Only serious buyers are requested to contact. Kindly respect time. Round pushpin location. Karachi. Inspection can be arranged easily for serious and genuine buyers. Now let me give you a quick summary of this car. Honda Civic VTi Oriel Prosmatec. Manufacturing 2021. Registration 2022. 45,000 kilometers driven. Second owner. Scratchless condition. Just buy and drive. Smooth engine and comfortable drive. Interior and exterior in excellent condition. All documents clear, CPLC and tax paid. Urgent sale in Karachi. If you are looking for a clean, stylish, and reliable sedan with excellent comfort and performance, then this Honda Civic is definitely worth checking. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like genuine car deals like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Allah Hafiz. And I will see you in the next video.